Look, number one already, look. Fuck, you know, he's taking a piss in here.
This one was a one-toner, boys.
He's taking a piss, mate. Look at him. He's got his little party stick on his line over there, stuck, look. Fucking hell, man. Give me a chance.
Your chance?
They're one-toners.
Yeah, you like that one-toner though, didn't you?
Yeah, because it's worried. You're just sitting there quiet and they went out of, just ripped off out of nowhere.
What is that on my line, bro, man?
One-toner ant, mate, look.
One-toner ant.
One-toner ant.
Right, this is the £50 I'm looking for. I'm joking.
Look at him, mate, look.
So if I do that's for yours?
It's up to you, mate.
Yeah, that's enough.
His little party sticks fell off.